Welcome to Three Little Birds Surf Hostel, where a world of sun-kissed adventures awaits. Scan the QR code or check the description below to secure your unforgettable escape. Nestled on the breathtaking shores of Siargao Island, our hostel is more than just a place to stay. It's a sanctuary for those who crave both relaxation and the thrill of the surf. Here, the spirit of camaraderie and genuine island life permeates every corner. Step inside and immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of our games room, a lively hub where laughter and friendly competition create unforgettable memories. Challenge fellow travelers to a spirited game of foosball, or perhaps a board game, all while sharing tales of your day's adventures amidst eclectic decor. After a day riding Siargao's legendary waves, find solace in our shared lounge and TV area, a cozy retreat designed for ultimate relaxation. Sink into plush seating and enjoy your favorite shows on a large screen, or simply connect with your fellow explorers, sharing stories and travel tips. Free Wi-Fi ensures you're always connected, while our convenient parking makes exploring the island a breeze. At Three Little Birds Surf Hostel, every moment is an invitation to play, relax, and forge lasting connections in a tropical paradise. Ready to book your dream escape? Remember to scan the QR code to reserve your spot.